So, on to 3D printed soup. Yes, it's still called that. Today I'll be thinking, you know what, I've done loads and loads of little projects. We've had sci-fi cars, we've had small buildings, we've had just regular small hour, 2 hour prints. I thought, you know what, this week let's do something big. So I thought I'd have a quick look on Thingiverse and see what I could find, and I found an abandoned lighthouse. It's one of those ancient watchtowers that basically sends a light out to the sea and tells ships that there's rocks here and they have to basically keep away. But there's also creepy things about cursed lighthouses where the entire lighthouse staff disappears one stormy night and nobody knows where they go. So I'm going to print, build and paint a creepy coastal lighthouse, and I'm going to try and put some electronics as well, so it's got a nice sort of creepy flashing light at the top and maybe some glowing lights inside, just ready for something tragic and sad to happen. So let's give this a try and print it off and see if we can't do a big print this week. This is going to be a 5-day print. I'm going to try and do 3 or 4 hours of printing a day, so let's see how it goes. was a busy week of printing, and after a few messed up failed prints, we've got ourselves what's shaping up to be a very, very nice looking set piece ready for a good creepy game of Pathfinder. And only thing left to do now is to take the bits that I have printed here, assemble them, and see how we've done. That came together nicely. It's worked out very, very well. The paint applications went on quite nicely. The print itself went fairly smoothly. There are a few failed prints, as I said earlier, but yeah, very, very nice. It all fits together into each layer, so you can put your miniatures in there if you are playing with miniatures on a tabletop. And each one of these has pegs and holes underneath, so you can just line them up like so, and they all just fit together beautifully. To get the flickering light on top, what I have done is I've just drilled a hole in the bottom, attached a battery powered tea light in there, and it just flickers beautifully in there and gives that really creepy light. So yay! Very happy with this. If you like what I do, I try and do a video a week. I'm going to try up to 2, but at the moment I'm going to stick to 1, just so I can find my feet. If you like my videos, click the like button and please subscribe, and click the notification button up the top, the little bell thing, so that you can know whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup.